Hello everyone, my name is Sabrina. I have completed my PhD in the area of artificial intelligence. And from the last 6 years, I have been tutoring students across the globe regarding artificial intelligence and its allied areas. We will study a complete new course, which is Python Essentials, Unlocking the Powers of Libraries. So in this course, what we will study? We will study the buzzword, which is Python. What Python is, why do you think you require Python? Along with the Python, all of you must have heard of all these big terms such as web development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, data science. So what do you think form the basis of all these terms? Yes, you guessed it right. Python is one such important programming language which forms the basis of all these areas. So now you know how important it is to study the Python. Another question which must have come to your mind, Miss Sabrina, why do you think we should take this course? So across the web, you must have seen hundreds of courses, hundreds of tutors teaching you Python. But what is the limitation of all those courses? They either teach you the theory aspect or the practical aspect. But our course is the perfect amalgamation of both the theory and practical concepts. Yes, you get to study the theory as well as the practical aspects of the Python. And how do you think it is possible? How do you think we will go along? So we will start off with the very basics of the Python. Then we will study the advanced concepts of the Python. And in those advanced concepts, the most important thing that we will study are the libraries. Yes, you heard it right. If you study how to deal with the libraries, how to work with the libraries, you will get along with all the other areas as well. So this course, it is perfect for all the candidates who are either going for the developer mode or they want to be researchers in the future. So here I welcome you all and I hope you will enjoy the course along with me. Thank you.